Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited for today's video because it is a DIY video, but a very special DIY video. For today's video, I have partnered with Offray Ribbon. They have a fabulous new line of high-end ribbon called Black Label. It is available at Joann Fabric and Craft. I have actually seen it in store. They are all beautiful ribbons. We're talking like silk, beaded, sheer, velvet. They are just all so beautiful. And they let me try out a few of them. So for this video, I have created 5 different Anthropologie inspired DIYs using these ribbons. A little sneak peek on my head of one of them. I'm so excited to show you guys. I think they all turned out so cute. I will leave the links of all the specific ribbons that I used down below, so go check those out. This line is honestly so incredible, so beautiful. So without further ado, let's get into the DIYs. Okay, so for this first DIY, I thought we would just make a very simple spring wreath using this gorgeous Georgine blush ribbon. I love the florals on it. I just think it's so beautiful. So to start, I just have some greenery. I actually dried this eucalyptus and these flowers, and I'm adding some wheat. So the idea is just to have these kind of hanging down from a wire hoop, or you could get a wood hoop, whatever you would like, but just organize your florals or your greenery however you want it. And you're going to take your ribbon and you're going to slip it underneath the hoop. I found this at Joann's. And then all you're going to do is tie it in a simple bow onto the ring, and it hangs so nicely. And I just think this would be so pretty hanging up in your home or wherever you would like to put it. But I'm obsessed with this. I think it turned out so beautiful, and it's so simple to make. The next DIY is a hair accessory, and I saw something similar on Anthropologie's website, and I knew I had to recreate it, and I thought this crushed velvet would be perfect because there's no wire in this one, and it's just so beautiful and soft. So I wanted to create this ruching effect on a barrette. So this is kind of the idea of it. So I'm just going to use a hot glue gun. I grabbed my barrette. I'm just going to start little by little, putting a little bit on the end, and then as I go along the barrette, I'm just going to kind of pleat and ruche this fabric all the way down to give it that look. And then at the end, you can just cut your ribbon, and I just added a little bit of glue onto the bottom and kind of wrapped the end around so that it will stay nice and secure on there. But I am obsessed with how this turned out. I think it's so beautiful. I think this looks just so elegant, and I love that it was just such a simple DIY, but I'm obsessed with this. I think it turns out so cute. The next DIY is another super simple hair accessory. I have seen these wrapped look headbands all over, and they're so simple to make. So I am just starting with a normal headband. I'm going to use this Nandini ribbon in navy. It's so beautiful. What I really love about it is the raw edges on it. It will really give this headband that look that I've seen all over Anthropologie of just kind of the rough edges wrapped ribbon look. And that's basically what I'm doing. I am just literally wrapping this ribbon all along the headband. You can get a cheap headband from like the dollar store if you want. Then I just cut off the edge and just kind of tuck it in, or you can hot glue it down if you want. But this took me literally like 2 minutes to make, and I'm obsessed with it. I think it looks so cute. Something that I really love that Anthropologie has is their houseware, like homeware, especially their kitchen stuff. I think it's all just so beautiful. And so this ribbon just kind of reminded me of some of the more ornate pieces Anthropologie has to offer. And since this ribbon has wire on the ends, it holds its shape really well. So I just cut a square, made it into a cylinder, and I made little napkin rings out of it to spruce up just like your kitchen, your dining ware. And I think it turned out so cute and so simple to make. Okay, this last DIY is maybe my favorite just because of the significance of it. I used this white Nadini ribbon, which is so beautiful, for my brother-in-law's wedding. I wanted to do something special, so I made some flower crowns for the little flower girls, including my daughter. So I went to the dollar store. I found these like ivy things, but I took that off and just used the base of that as the flower crown base. And then I used the ribbon. I cut a little bit because I want a bow at the end of these. So I am attaching these on just with this floral tape. So put a little bit of ribbon on the end and then wrap the floral tape all along the end of this headband frame. And then I just picked up some greenery and some flowers to attach on. And so I'm just going to pick out which little flowers that I want. The headbands were super easy to make out of this ivy stuff that I found at the dollar store, but if you don't find that, you can also just use like floral wire or just a normal headband to work with. But now I'm going to start laying my greenery on in just this arch shape, and I attached this to the headband with floral wire, and then I went ahead and attached all the florals on with that same floral wire and then tied a little bow at the end with the ribbon. And I am obsessed with these. I love how they turned out. All the flower girls looked so dang cute, and it was just a special thing for the wedding. Guys, that is it from me today. Thank you guys so much for watching. This was a really fun project for me. I haven't worked with ribbon like too much, so it was fun trying to come up with different uses for them, and there are so many. Let me know down below in the comments which DIY was your favorite, and make sure you go check out the new Black Label ribbon line from Offray Ribbons. They're at Joann Fabric and Craft. They are beautiful and so fun to work with. Give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and feel free to hit that subscribe button to become part of my little family here on YouTube. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys next time with a new video. Bye.